In this tutorial, I'll show you how to earn on ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll log into ElevenLabs, create high-quality AI voice content, list your services where clients can find you, sell voiceovers and custom voices, promote your work for ad revenue, and refine your style to grow consistently. First, log in at ElevenLabs.io. On your browser, type ElevenLabs.io and press Enter. On the homepage, click Login. Enter your credentials and continue. If you see the main dashboard with options to create or manage voices, you're in the right place. Next, create high-quality AI-generated voice content, such as audiobooks, podcasts, or video narrations. From the dashboard, open the text-to-speech or project area. Select a voice that fits your project or pick a custom one you've created. Paste a short script into the text box. Keep sentences clear and well-punctuated to avoid robotic pacing. If there are voice settings available, adjust them gently. Minor tweaks to stability, style, or speed can improve clarity without making the voice sound unnatural. Click Generate to preview. Listen carefully with headphones and then check for mispronunciations, pacing issues, or awkward pauses. If something sounds off, edit the script with clearer wording or add punctuation, then generate again. Once it sounds right, click Download and save the audio as MP3 or WAV. Name your file clearly, like podcast_intro_v1, so it's easy to track. Repeat this process to build a small portfolio. A 30 to 60-second narration, a commercial-style read, and a short audiobook sample. These samples will help clients choose your style. Now, offer your AI voice services on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or social media. Open a new tab for Fiverr.com and another for Upwork.com. From your account, create a service listing that clearly states what you deliver: AI voiceovers, audiobook narration, podcast intros, or custom AI voices using ElevenLabs. Upload the samples you just created so buyers can hear your quality. Set straightforward packages, define delivery times, and specify what clients need to provide, such as scripts, pronunciation notes, and usage rights. Keep your description concise, professional, and focused on outcomes: clean audio, fast turnaround, and consistent style. If you're using social media, prepare a short post or pinned tweet with your samples and a link to your order page so clients can reach you fast. From here, sell narrated content, voiceovers, or custom AI voices to clients. When a client sends a script, paste it into ElevenLabs and generate a first pass. Listen through the full track to catch any tricky names or brand terms. If needed, adjust the script with phonetic hints or punctuation for better pacing, then regenerate. Before delivering, normalize volume levels so the audio is consistent from start to finish, and export in the format your client requested. Deliver the final files along with a brief note confirming what's included and how many revisions are covered. If the client asks for changes, make precise edits to the script or settings and resend. Keeping communication clear and delivery files neatly labeled helps you close orders faster and earn positive reviews. Next, promote your AI voice content on YouTube, TikTok, or other platforms for ad revenue. Open YouTube in a new tab and click Create to upload a short video with your voiceover. This can be a tutorial, a product explainer, or a narrated story. Add a clear title and description that include relevant phrases like AI voiceover and ElevenLabs. Paste links back to your Fiverr or Upwork listing so viewers can hire you. On TikTok, upload a 20 to 30-second sample with captions and a short call to action in the description. Consistent posting builds reach, and as your views grow, you can qualify for platform monetization and gain steady traffic to your services. At this point, continuously refine your voice style and script writing to attract more clients. Track which samples get the most clicks and repeat that tone. Test different pacing, emotion, and energy to match genres like ads, corporate explainers, or storytelling. Improve your scripts by using simple sentences, active voice, and clear transitions. Keep a checklist for each project. Clean script, precise pronunciation, even volume, and labeled files.
Magandang
Small
araw sa
quality
inyong
improvements
lahat.
compound
Ako
over
po si
time
Pocho.
and help you charge more. You've now logged into ElevenLabs, created high-quality AI voice content, listed and sold your services, promoted your work for ad revenue, and set up a simple system to improve continuously. Your earning workflow with ElevenLabs is complete and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.